Masala.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Nice to see you again. For today's video, we're going to try the Philippine snacks. It's not too salty than the other biscuits. I like it.
Okay, not so dry. It tastes good.
It's okay. It's not spicy. It's tasty.
I like it. And has some a little, how to say, the seafood taste. Yeah, it feel so good.
Wait, I think it really makes by the true seafood. I think it's good. It's shrimp taste there. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Masala. Masaya.
This one is very masala.
Is masala. Cause masaya. It is a chocolate flavor, but I think it's not really very sweet. It's so good. Masaya is so yummy and tasty.
Masala. Tastes good.
Yummy. Nó này đấy, nó xanh rất hậu phai à dầu.
I like this taste. Yeah, I really like it. Cause not so hard.
Masala.
Masala.
Masaya. Mr. Chips.
Oh, it's good. Taste.
It's good. It's good. Because I think it's tasty because there is a very heavy cheese taste there. I love cheese and it's made by corn. And it's yummy and masala.
Masala.
Masala is sweet corn. Not too very sweet. It's good. It's tasty and it's yummy. It's masala.
Masala. Can taste the original corn taste. Yeah.
It's danger. Okay. It smells so.
That's not the one you like.
I like this. It's so yummy.
I like it. Cause have the peanut taste. I like the peanut.
Masala. This time we were going to try the corn beans. Okay. Garlic taste there is good. Very good. And it's so yummy and masala.
Yeah, masala. I like the garlic also. The garlic tastes so strong.
Masala.
Wow. After eat with crazy?
Right. Really better than I thought.
What's the matter? Happy or dizzy? After eat with happy or dizzy?
And it's so yummy.
Good.
How about you, Cindy?
It's yummy. And masala.
Masala.
The last one, the one my father wants.
Oh, this one. Cheers.
Right. Here. Yeah. Now the dark chili.
Later, yeah.
Alright.
What happened in your mouth?
I think it's good. I think it's so spicy. It's not so salad.
Peanut, my favorite.
Yeah.
This one is good.
Yuck. Okay.
Very masala.
Cindy, why you don't say masarap?
It's not yummy. Cause she don't like spicy and maybe she don't like it. But
Which one do you like most, guys?
I think that my favorite is sweet corn and oishi. It's I more like naengnon and corned beef.
My favorite is sugo.
Thanks for watching our video and we'll see you next time.